Hey guys, today we are going to talk about dividing polynomials, and you're going to be using your skills of dividing polynomials together in order to dividing monomials in order to be able to divide polynomials. So to review, we're going to divide monomials, and all you're going to do is simplify the coefficients by subtracting the exponents, or when in doubt, write it out. So if you do the coefficient part, 2 divided by 4, that's 1 over 2. So you must simplify those first. Then you have 5x's and 3x's. So how I taught you in the beginning was they divide out, they make 1. So when you find something on top and on bottom, they do divide away. And I'm left with 2x's on top. So I have 1 over 2, and I'm left with 2x's on top, so I notate it like that. Now you could rewrite this and it would just be 1 times x squared is x squared over 2 would be my final answer, but I would accept this one as well. Now, if you were just subtracting using the exponent rules, 5 take away 3 is 2, and it's a positive 2, that's why it's on the top. So if I try to do the same thing on this one, if I write it out, negative 8 divided by 6 is a negative 4 over 3. Then there's 4 x's on top and 3 y's. And then 1 x on bottom and 2 y's. Then I'm going to divide away everything that's found on top and on bottom. So then you're going to be able to see 4 take away 1. There's an understood 1 here is 3. Notice that there's 3 x's left here on top, so I'm going to put an x to the third. 3 take away 2 is 1. Notice when I divided it out, there was only 1 left on top. So there's no letters left on the bottom. So that's how you divide monomials. And we're going to use that thought process in order to divide polynomials. You are going to take this 2x and divide it by every single term in the numerator. So in order to do that, I'm just going to rewrite it. 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x. And the 2x is going to be divided by every one, so I'm going to put it underneath every single term so you can see it a little bit more clearly. Now, 2 divided by 2 is 1. It's found on top and on bottom, so I'd make it a 1. This is 3 x to the third divided by x to the first. 3 take away 1 is 2x's, so x squared. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so I've got a minus sign here. 2 minus 1 is 1, so I'm left with x. Now, to reduce this, a positive 4 divided by 2 is a positive 2. And then my x's divide away, making just 1. So then my final answer is x squared minus x plus 2. I'm going to do the exact same thing on this one. I'm going to rewrite it, negative 8x squared plus 12x minus 16. And I'm going to divide by 4 under each term. So then that gives me negative 8 divided by 4 is negative 2. I'm left with an x squared. Positive 12 divided by 4 is a positive 3, and I'm left with an x. And negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4. So this is my final answer. So today, although it was a short lesson, you're going to be working on a worksheet that you're going to be doing exactly this. Make sure that you write it out and put the 2x or whatever term is on the denominator underneath every single term on the numerator, and then you'll be able to find your answer rather quickly. Thank you. Have a great day.